And now, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
All right, we'll start you out outside and notice again pretty clear sky overhead. Starting to see our temperatures fall back some. Got to 42 in town. Right now we're at 35. 20-degree dew points, so the air pretty dry out there, and it's a calm wind. Ideal visibility at around 10 miles. So look at statewide highs today. Range from 30 in Oakland to 42 in town. Eastern Shore numbers into the 30s, so finally getting above average, or I should say above the freezing mark. Well, average is around 42, so we achieved that average temperature. And then now we're starting to fall back into the 30s. 20s in some parts, 29 right now in Manchester, 35 at the airport east, and right now you're at 30 degrees. So temperatures are below freezing, so anything that comes in overnight tonight going into tomorrow morning will fall in the form of some wintry mix. You notice again on satellite presentation, clear skies, but clouds back out to the west. That'll build in during the course of this evening. So we'll be right around 30 at 8 o'clock. 27 at 11 o'clock when we're back on at ABC2 News at 11. And here comes the ice during the morning commute. 29 gets to 34 tomorrow, but it's really a damp, dreary afternoon. A winter weather advisory has been posted for the entire state. That's advising you that roadways tomorrow morning could become very, very icy, and we are concerned with that. I'm going to show you a model coming up in 1 second. So really the breakdown will be the clouds building in first. Light snow and ice develops after the 4 o'clock hour into tomorrow morning's commute, and it will quickly change over to rain from the city on points to the south and east. To the north and west of the Beltway, a whole different story. We do think enough cold air will be in place to allow for the ice to hang on a little bit longer. Maryland's most powerful Doppler radar, it's clear overhead, but just about 13 hours outside of town into the Ohio Valley, we do find a mixture of some snow, some ice, and even some rain. So it's going to start off as a brief period of some light snow, to ice, and then eventually getting into some rain as we go into the morning commute tomorrow. In fact, this warm front draped down to the south, that delivers milder air by Tuesday and Wednesday, but we are kind of stuck into this cold pattern, and that is kind of the division line between the rain, the snow, and the ice that we're expecting tomorrow morning. So future trend shows the clouds tomorrow going into, I should say, this morning, or early morning hours, I should say, and then by the morning commute, first the snow comes in, and then it's a period of some freezing rain before everything gets over to some rain during the mid-morning hours. So in terms of what to expect, this is our IceCast model, a little disturbing because it shows northern counties getting about a solid, say, quarter of an inch of ice, and that's pretty treacherous, especially on 83 heading towards York. And then from the city on towards the south, that would be a rain-snow mixture. So this is how we kind of break it down for you. Again, general sleet to rain scenario for the 95 corridor. Further south, you go south of the Bay Bridge, it will be all rain, but again, northern Carroll County, northern Baltimore County, northwestern Harford County, this could be a prolonged period of some freezing rain and sleet on the roadways. So this could be pretty dangerous into tomorrow morning's commute. So 27 for tonight. We're dry, but things change after midnight. And by tomorrow morning, we start off with a wintry mix going to rain from the city, and it could be a whole different story north and west of town. Monday night clears out. We'll go down to around 35. But look at the 7-day forecast from 38 to 53 on Tuesday. There's an indication maybe on Wednesday we get to 70. We'll go 63 right now, and then there could be some scattered strong to severe thunderstorms Wednesday into Thursday. So we go from winter to spring, and then back to winter towards the tail end of the week. So a little confusing in that 7-day forecast, but it's all about tomorrow morning's commute, and it will be an icy ride. So just check in with us at 11.
I feel like I'm in the twilight zone.
It's wacky.
Okay. All right. Here's something that'll make you feel a little better. We are not braving the cold alone. Check this out. Freezing